I'm Anne Timpany from a fantastic plumbing and heating family firm based in St Albans. On Tap Plumbers carry out all types of work. We specialise in fitting high-end bathrooms. We also fit new boilers and full central heating systems. We can also fix a leak coming out of your tap. On Tap Plumbers stand out because we offer reliable, customer-focused service. We don't charge a call-out fee. We offer a guarantee with all of our work. We're fully insured. Our team of plumbers are qualified, and we also take great consideration in our customers' properties. We can offer professional advice on how you can save money and energy with your central heating systems. On Tap Plumbers work throughout Hertfordshire, into London and southeast of England. Please give us a call on 0800 316 8601. You can visit our website at www.ontaplumbers.com.